Well, hello, lifestylers, and welcome back to Lifestyle with Latasha, part two of our DIY cabinet and shelf installation. So, this is a version of the shelves and cabinet that we are installing. In the first video, you saw that we had it all set up on one side, and now we're on to the other side. So, we're so excited because it's finally starting to come together and it's really looking really nice. And so I just hope that you're enjoying this video. I hope that you enjoyed part one. If you haven't, please take a look at it. I'm going to put a link to it here. But if you are visiting this channel for the first time and you're enjoying watching DIY content, us putting things together, we're in the process of making our house a home, hit that subscribe button so that you're always a part of what we've got going on this channel. I'm really excited to have you here. And if you've already hit that subscribe button, I hope that you hit that notification bell so that you're always a part of what we've got going on with Lifestyle with Latasha. Now, on to seeing us get this all together. And I hope that you enjoy it. Take care. All right, so as we're in preparation of preparing the other side, this is where we really had to take time and make sure that our measurements were accurate because, of course, when you're sitting on the couch and you're looking at the fireplace, we need to make sure that both sides are going to be matching and look as close as possible. So, one thing that we were able to utilize was a laser leveler. And I mentioned this in part one as well, and I linked it in part one. But when I tell you it was a lifesaver because it allowed us to be able to pinpoint exactly where we needed to be. And it was the simplest thing that I've ever used. And I've been hanging things for a long time. So you're going to get to see us put in the effort to make sure that we get those measurements perfect. Okay, lifestylers. So I wanted to jump on really quick, and I wanted to stop while we were in the process of doing something that I'm really excited about. So in one of my previous videos, I mentioned that we were going to be installing some floating shelves, and I wanted some cabinets to go on either side of the fireplace. Well, guess what? We're here and we're in the process of doing it right now, and I'm so excited because I am loving the way that it's turning out. What I wanted to do was I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the customization and DIY projects that we had to do in this process to allow this to be able to get the look that we were going for. So these are the actual shelves that I ordered. These are from Amazon, and of course I will put them in the link below. These shelves come in a set of two. And so I ended up having to order multiples. And what I decided to do was, instead of installing them individually, we took the time to DIY them and have them glued together so that they would give us a little bit thicker width of what we were searching for. Now, on the back side of these, because they are individual set shelves put together now, they came with two brackets, but we decided to go ahead and install the two brackets on the wall to give us the additional support to allow us to be able to, put things on the shelves that we really wanted and not don't have to worry about weight as much. So I'm really excited about them. Of course, I said I'll link them below, and I definitely will, to tell you a little bit more about the cabinet. So I have had this cabinet in my eyes search for about 8 or 9 months. And I absolutely fell in love with it. I thought it gave me the perfect amount of glam with the quatrefoil and the glass fronts. And I must mention that this is actually not glass. It's more of a plastic type feel. But I'm okay with it because I have small children, so I don't want to have to be worried about glass all the time. What I love about this cabinet was that it gives you the option of different colors that it can come in. And it came in black, but you can also get it with a black top or a faux wood grain. So I chose to go with the faux wood grain. I thought it would be a great complement to the wood shelves, and I absolutely love it. Another thing that we did with this cabinet, if you look at it now, it's about 40 inches tall. This cabinet comes at about 29. What I decided to do was go on Amazon, and I got some feet that you can add onto either furniture or couches or things of that nature. And I got some that were 10 inches tall. And so that brought the cabinet up, which made it seem more in conducive with the size of the fireplace. Our fireplace is really, really large. And so I really wanted to make sure that everything was to scale with the fireplace. So I wanted to bring everything up a little bit. And so I took the shelves up a little bit higher than they probably would be. But I think that's okay because the wall still is expansive. So we're going to be finishing up this project. I'm going to show you how we're going to install the brackets to allow us to be able to have that extra support for the shelf, if that's something that you want to do, to let you see that it is possible. And you don't have to pay the price of the thicker wood pieces because they can tend to get expensive. But I'm so excited. I hope you're going to enjoy the final reveal of once we're done with everything. And in the meantime, wish us luck as we wrap this up. Thanks. Okay, so here is a close-up view of me installing the brackets. And what you see me doing here is we're utilizing that laser leveler, which is a amazing tool to have in your toolbox. You need to have it. Right here, I'm putting the bracket on, and what I did was, because our walls are black, I had to use a white marker, a chalk marker, to mark the holes of where they would be on the wall. And then what you're going to see me do is I'm going to basically put in the anchors in the walls. There were some spots that did not have a stud. And if you know about hanging anything, sometimes you need to make sure that you put anchors in. So I'm going to put in several anchors. And then in some spots, it's going to be just a screw because it's going to actually go into a stud. And so that is what I'm doing here. And then after I do this bracket, you're going to see us do the second bracket. As I mentioned before, the shells are where two separate shelves, but we put them together. But I still chose to use both brackets, which would allow me to be able to utilize the shelves and not be concerned about weight capacity. So this is what I'm doing here. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll be glad to answer them. Well, here it is, guys. The reveal. Oh my gosh. I'm so in love. I love it. I love the brown wood on the black walls because if you don't know anything and if you haven't seen the previous videos of when we painted the black walls, I absolutely love tricorn black on our walls. However, it is a bold color and I think the wood shelves gives it a warmth. And I think the countertop gives it a warmth that just brings it down and makes it cozy. I absolutely am thrilled with what we've done. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing us do our DIY installation. I hope that you're going to subscribe to this channel and be a part of everything that we're going to be doing. Because I'm going to be honest, we've got a lot of work ahead of us. And I'm probably going to be getting ready to do a video of what we've done so far so that you can get an idea just how in-depth our reconstruction of this house has been, turning this house into a home for our family. I'm just elated because you feel like it's just coming together. So please hit that like button and let us know that you're enjoying what you're seeing. I really would appreciate it. And I just want to thank you for being here. And as I said before, if this is your first time visiting this channel or you've been here and you've seen some previous videos, please hit that subscribe button and let me know that you are wanting to be a part of all that we've got coming and all that we're going to be doing. If DIY, home decor, inspiration, real estate, because I'll be doing some on location with Latasha, which is going to be me taking house tours. Please hit that subscribe button so that you're a part of it. You don't miss out on anything. Like I said, love the glam of the mirrored fronts on these cabinets. Is perfect because having small children in the house, I don't have to worry about glass, and that's always a plus. But definitely stop back by and check us out on the next video. I'm really excited to have you here, and I'm really excited for my cabinets. So I want to say thank you for stopping by again, and take care, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.